How to draw Luisa. We will start by drawing a C-like shape for her ear. From the bottom of that, we will draw a diagonal line going towards the right for her jawline. Then we will draw her chin and the right side of her face. Next, we are going to draw Luisa's left eye. For this, we will draw an upside down U-like shape and then a line right below it. That will be for the outline. Great job! Now inside of that, we're going to draw a big circle. Then inside of that circle, we are going to draw a little circle. This will be left white and the rest of the big circle will be colored in black. Looking great to learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we're going to thicken the outline of her eye on the outer corner, and then we will draw some eyelashes. Now we're going to draw Luisa's left eyebrow right above her eye that we just drew. Our drawings are looking awesome so far. Towards the right of Luisa's left eye and eyebrow, we're going to draw a slightly curved line going downwards. This will be for the bridge of her nose. Then a little to the left of the bottom, we're going to draw a small C-like shape. This will be for the left side of her nose. Next, we're going to draw her right eye. This will be similar to the left one and will be connected to the bridge of her nose. Then again, we're going to draw a big circle in the middle of the outline of her eye, and this one will be touching the bridge of her nose. Then inside of that one, we're going to draw a smaller circle that will be left white, while the rest of the big circle will be colored in black. Looking good. Next, we're going to thicken the outline of her eye and then add some eyelashes towards the outer corner. Above her right eye, connecting to the top of the bridge of her nose, we're going to draw her right eyebrow. Then next, in the space below her nose, we're going to draw a slightly curved line. This will be for her smile. Our drawings are looking awesome, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we're going to draw a wave-like shape in her ear for detail, and then we're going to draw a small circle at the bottom for her earring. Next, we're going to draw Luisa's hairline. This will be a slightly curved line that starts right above the left eye and goes towards the right side of her face. Then, to connect her hair to her left ear, we're going to draw a wavy line going downwards and back up. This will be for a curly piece of hair. Great job! Now we're going to draw a piece of hair extremely similar to that one, but this one will be on the right side of her face, and it will connect to the hairline that we drew earlier. Then, connecting to that curly piece of hair, we're going to draw a few curved lines going to the left of her head. This will be for the top of her hair on her head. Then from that, we're going to draw a big curved line going downwards towards her left ear. At the beginning of that curved line that we just drew, we're going to begin drawing Luisa's bow for her ponytail. To do this, we will first make a small little half circle. Then from that, we will make a big oval-like shape going upwards. This will be the inner outline of the top part of the bow. Next, we will draw the same shape, but this one will be going downwards for the bottom part of the bow. Great job! Now we're going to go ahead and outline the bottom part of the bow. Next, we will outline the top part of the bow. Beneath the bottom part of the bow, we're going to draw a curved line going downwards. Then we will draw another curved line going downwards slightly to the right of it and connect them at the bottom with a straight line. Then we are going to do the same thing one more time right beneath that one. These will be the two strings of the bow. Lastly, we have to finish drawing Luisa's hair. We will start at the top of the bow and draw curved and wavy lines going around in an oval-like shape. This will be for her ponytail. Once we get to the bottom, we will connect her hair to her ear. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome. If you would like us to see, then share on Instagram by using #LearnHowToDrawHub. Stick around until the very end to see our drawing colored in. And if this video helped you out, give it a big like below. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.